Looks like my aircon's broken. Let's get it to the workshop and get it fixed. Farmers spend hours and hours inside their tractor, and we at Sparex believe that you should not only look after yourself, but also be comfortable inside the cab. When summer eventually arrives, you should make sure that your tractor is ready for all the elements. So I've been told the issue with my air conditioner is the compressor, so I'm going to take it to my local dealer to get it fixed. Fortunately, Sparex has a vast range of air conditioning parts, from blower motors, condensers and evaporators. So no matter the issue, Sparex has you covered. Sparex has a huge range of applications, from Class to Ultra and everything in between. So no matter the make and model of your tractor, Sparex has what you need. Whilst the tractor's in the workshop, we're going to kit out the cab with some more of the Sparex offering. Firstly, we're going to fit Agristruts all the way around on the doors and the rear window. We're then going to fit a new DAB Kenwood radio. We're then going to fit 2 new wiper blades. Next up, a Rokk phone holder. And then whilst we're there, some screenwash. Also, for good measure, we fitted a new black cab mat. And then we're going to give the cab a bit of TLC with some of our cleaning products. And lastly, for good measure, we're going to grease up all the hinges. The workshop have now fitted our new compressor, so the aircon should be working. Oh, blimey, that's cold! Now, let's get back to the farm.